Let's see and confirm the gas that is coming out of it is a hydrogen gas. So this is the pop-up sound which confirms the presence of hydrogen that is coming from it, because zinc is reacting with sulfuric acid. So it's a displacement reaction where zinc displaces hydrogen, makes zinc sulfate which is inside here, and hydrogen is coming out of it. So we have confirmed hydrogen gas now.